again for having us.
धन्यवाद फेरि पनि
Thank you for just your hospitality.
तपाईहरुको यो स्वागत सत्कारको लागि पनि धन्यवाद छ
This scarf is something I'll take home and hang up and remember for the rest of my life.
अनि यो कपडा चाहिँ म यो जुन खादा छ यो घर लैजान्छु म त्यहाँ टंगाउँछु अनि सधैँभरि म तपाईहरुलाई सम्झिने छु भन्छु
And thank you to your local leader for inviting us.
अनि यहाँ स्थानीयलाई पनि धन्यवाद छ जसले यहाँ बोलाउनु भयो यहाँको स्थानीय मान्छे
Today I want to tell you a true story from God's Word
आज म फेरि तपाईहरुलाई एउटा अर्को कथा भन्न चाहन्छु है त यो कथा चाहिँ बाइबलबाट छ
that shows the power Jesus has to transform a person's life.
अनि यो कथामा पनि के छ त भने एउटा मान्छेको जीवन परिवर्तन भएको कथा हो
No matter what their circumstances.
ठुलो समस्या भए पनि जीवन परिवर्तन
So news about Jesus was spreading from village to village.
अनि येशू भन्ने व्यक्तिको बारेमा गाउँ-गाउँमा चर्चा परिचर्चा भइराखेको थियो त्यति
People were hearing about the different miracles he was doing and the healings that he was doing.
अनि मान्छेहरूले चाहिँ यस्तै भेटघाटमा यो येशू भन्ने व्यक्ति कस्तो हुनुहुँदैछ नि यसले त निको पार्छ अरे भन्ने कुरा गरिरहन्थे
One day, Jesus was going into a village to heal a religious man's daughter.
अनि एक दिन चाहिँ येशू एउटा गाउँमा जान लाग्नु भएको थियो त्यहाँ एउटा झाँक्रीको छोरीलाई पनि निको पार्नु भएको थियो
They wanted to see Jesus.
अनि त्यो गाउँको मान्छेहरूले येशूलाई हेर्न चाहन्थे उनीहरू कस्तो रहेछ यो मान्छे भनेर हेर्न चाहन्थे
So they began to gather and they were waiting for him.
अनि येशूलाई हेर्नको लागि उनीहरू भेला हुन्छन्
There lived in the village a lady,
अनि त्यहाँ एकजना महिला बस्नुहुन्थ्यो दिदी बस्नुहुन्थ्यो
and she had a problem.
अनि उनीसँग एउटा समस्या थियो
She had been bleeding non-stop for 12 years.
अनि उनी चाहिँ 12 वर्षसम्म रगत बग्ने समस्याले ग्रसित थिए
It was a problem that was causing her pain.
अनि यो समस्याले गर्दा उनको शरीर साह्रै दुख्थ्यो
She did what she could. She went from doctor to doctor trying different forms of ways to get healing.
अनि उनी चाहिँ धेरै डाक्टर कहाँ पनि गएकी थिइन् तर निको भएकी थिए
She spent all of her money,
अनि उनले सबै पैसा खर्च गरेका थिइन्
but nothing was able to work.
अनि उनले निको भएको थिएनन् जति खर्च गरेको
She was suffering and she was beginning to lose hope.
अनि उन चाहिँ एकदम निरन्तर पीडामा थिइन् उनलाई अब आशा समेत गुमाइसकेको थिइन् अब म निको हुन्न कि भन्ने मान्थिन् उनले
But she too had heard about what Jesus had been doing.
अनि उनले चाहिँ एक दिन सुन्छिन् कि येशूले चाहिँ निको पार्नुहुन्छ अरे भन्ने सुन्छिन्
She heard about the power he has to heal.
अनि उनले चाहिँ येशूमा चाहिँ निको पार्ने शक्ति छ भन्ने कुरा सुन्छिन्
And she believed if I can just get to Jesus, if I can just touch the hem of his cloak,
अनि उनले चाहिँ के मनमा सोचिन् भने म येशूलाई म कपडा मात्रै छोयो भने पनि म निको हुन्छु कि भनेर विश्वास गर्छिन् मैले
he can heal me.
अनि येशूले चाहिँ निको पार्नुहुन्छ
And so she pulled herself out of bed.
अनि उनी चाहिँ बिरामी भएको त्यो खाटबाट उठ्छिन्
She got herself to the edge of the road
अनि उनी चाहिँ रोडमा जान्छन्
and she waited.
अनि उनी पर्खिराख्छन् येशूलाई
Sure enough, when Jesus came into the town,
अनि येशू चाहिँ त्यो सहरमा आउनुहुन्छ
there was people all around him.
अनि वरपर ठुलो भिड लाग्या हुन्छ येशूको वरिपरि
But she was able to reach out her hand
अनि उनी चाहिँ एकदम धेरै उसँग
and just grasp the hem of his cloak.
अनि येशूको छेउमा गएर येशूको कपडा छुन्छिन् उनले
Immediately,
त्यतिखेर
she was healed.
उनी निको हुन्छन्
She felt the bleeding stop.
अनि उनले चाहिँ रगत बग्ने रोकिएको महसुस गर्छिन्
She felt all the pain go out of her body.
अनि उनले चाहिँ सबै दुखाइ पीडा
She
निको
knew
भएको महसुस गर्छिन्
she was healed
अनि उनी चाहिँ पूर्ण रूपमा चङ्गाई हुन्छन्
and she felt free.
अनि उनी चाहिँ स्वतन्त्र भएको महसुस गर्छिन्
But Jesus also stopped.
अनि येशू पनि रोकिनुहुन्छ त्यहाँ
He said, "Who touched me?"
अनि येशूले भन्नुहुन्छ मलाई छुने को हो
His disciples said, "What do you mean who touched you? There's people everywhere."
अनि येशूका साथीहरूले भन्छन् सबैले तपाईँले छोइराखेका छन् कसलाई भनिदिनु त तपाईँलाई अब भन्नु भन्छ
Jesus said, "I know power has gone out from me."
अनि यसैले भन्नुहुन्छ होइन यहाँ मलाई छोइकन कोही निको भएको छ एउटा व्यक्ति भनेर भन्नु
The lady wanted to hide. She felt fear,
अनि त्यो स्त्री चाहिँ लुक्न लाग्छ डराएर
but she knew she could not hide.
तर उनलाई थाहा थियो उनी लुक्न सक्दैनन् भन्ने थाहा पाउँछ
She looked up at Jesus and she said, "It was me."
अनि येशूमा आएर भन्छ मैले छोएको गुरु तपाईँलाई भनेर भन्छ
She explained how she'd been hurting, but how she just knew if she just touched him, he could heal her.
अनि यसो उनी त्यो दिदीले बताउँछिन् म चाहिँ 12 वर्षसम्म रगत बग्ने समस्या थियो मैले तपाईँलाई छुँदा बित्तिकै निको भयो भनेर बताइदिन्छ
And Jesus leaned down and he looked at her.
अनि यसरी येशूले चाहिँ हेर्नुहुन्छ त्यो दिदीलाई
And it wasn't with any anger.
अनि येशूले चाहिँ रिसाउनु भएको हुन्न
It was only with love and compassion. And he said, "Daughter, go in peace. Be free from your suffering. Your faith has healed you."
अनि यसले भन्नुहुन्छ यसो चाहिँ नरिसाएर मायाले दया मानेर राम्रोसँग जाऊ छोरी तिमीलाई अब निको भएकी छौ राम्रोसँग जाऊ भनेर भन्छ
It shows that Jesus has the power to transform anybody's life.
अनि यसले के देखाउँछ त भने जसको जीवनमा भए पनि उहाँले चाहिँ येशूसँग त्यस्तो शक्ति छ उहाँले जीवन परिवर्तन गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ
My question for you is, would you like the power of Jesus to transform your